Hello, I'm Bible from Thailand. I'm studying in PACE at the University of Winnipeg in a project management program. With my 14-year experience background in architecture, I have found that studying in PACE is a very wonderful experience because what I have learned, I learned from the industry experts. So, for example, in the project, in the quality management program, I had a field trip that I went to the real factory to see the quality process, and that I can learn a lot about the real world in a practical way. And about the staff here, the career service and academic service here is very helpful for me because I went there and they gave me a lot of information about the job and the career here in Canada. And what I want to suggest for the future students is if you are looking for the place to improve your knowledge and skill and also your future career, PACE is here for you.